Now section 3. Choose the likelihood which matches the outcome of each event. First question. The school football team will win the local tournament. So if our school football team is very good, they have chances to win. But in any sports, we cannot be sure about the winner. There is always a 50-50 chance for any of the team to win. So it is not a certain event, but there are chances. We can mark it as a likely event. Option D. The second question. Mr. Shah will cut the grass on his lawn when it is snowing. First of all, when it snows, the grass will not be visible and it is very difficult to maintain the lawns or grass during that period. It is an unlikely event to happen. Third question. While going to school, you will pass by a white car. When we go to school during the morning time, it is usually a very busy hour because people will go to work. In school also there will be thousands of students coming at a time. So it is a likely event that any of those people will have white car. We can mark D here. Fourth question. The mountaineer will be hurt if he falls off the mountain. That is of sure. If mountain is of certain height, if he falls off, he will be deeply hurt and even it can lead to his death. So that is a likely event. Question number 5. The number on the top face of an ordinary die will be an even number. As we have said earlier, a die is always number from 1 to 6. And among that, we have 3 even number and 3 odd number. So there is always an even chance for the top face being either even or odd. And even numbers can be 2, 4 or 6. It has an even chance. We can write C. Question number 6. The next baby to be born will be a female. This is also an even chance event because every time there are equal chances for the baby to be male or female. We can write C again. Question number 7. The number on the top face of an ordinary die when rolled will be less than 7. As the die is numbered from 1 to 6, all the numbers are surely less than 7. So it is a certain event. Question number 8. The Titanic will float back up to the top of the ocean. Normally, if any body has sank in water, it is unlikely that this body will come up again. So it is an impossible event. Nobody can simply come up once if it has submerged under water. It is impossible for itself to come on the surface. So this is an impossible event. We can mark A here. 9th question. You will live for 100 years. As of now, normal life expectancy is only 70 to 80 years. And it is very rare that people live up to 100 years. It is an unlikely event. We can write B here. Question number 10. A dog will have kittens. A dog will have only puppies. It will never have kittens. It is an impossible event. We can write A here. Question 11. Monday will be the day after Tuesday next week. That is impossible. Monday is the day which is coming before Tuesday. So 11th one we can write A. 12th one. You will have a birthday next year. Every year we know that birthday will be recurring. So it is a certain event. That is E. Multiple choice questions. Question number 4. The probability of being chosen for a team is 9%. This event can be described as. We know that if something is certain to happen, it will have 100%. While if something is impossible to happen, it will have 0%. And if there is even chance of happening, it will have 50%. Here this 9% comes almost closer to an impossible event. So it is an unlikely event. That is option number D. Question number 5. It will be a Thursday in one of the next 7 days. We know that every week have 7 days and after 7 days each of the day will repeat itself. That is now if it is Monday, the next 7th day it will be again Monday. This is a certain event, so we can mark option C. Question number 6. A person with O, A, B or AB blood group can safely donate blood to a person with AB positive blood group. Describe the event a randomly chosen person could donate blood to a person with EB positive blood group as certain or likely or unlikely or impossible event. Blood group are of different types, and here O blood group is known as universal donor because this O blood group can be supplied to any other blood groups, while this AB blood group is known as universal acceptor. Universal acceptor because they can accept blood from any blood group. So a random means it can be O, A, B or even AB. AB blood group people can accept blood from any other group. So here it is a certain event. As AB blood group can accept blood from any other people, this event is a certain event.